how to make studs. Not rocket science, but still useful. What I got here is my new heads and my old heads. The red heads are my old heads. And as you can see, the holes for the rocker studs are not drilled and tapped as deep. So I gotta shorten the studs. Could shorten these ones, but I might also save them because I'm gonna use these old heads in something else when I get them redone. For now, I need shorter studs. Already went and chopped them up. Here they are. Use some stainless steel rod, and I'm going to show you my trick to making them clean. This is the part I wanted to show you. The reason I made a video. Normally I would take a stud, I would take it on the grinder, just rotate it by hand, and it would turn out kind of crappy. Oh, quick out tip. When you cut your studs, put a nut on there. Makes taking them off, cleaning up the threads even easier, but I'm not worried about that because I'm going to do this. Take my drill, chuck up my stud, turn my grinder. Slow speed. Nice swirl pattern. A little bit of chamfer. Clean it up on the wire wheel. Got my nut. No problem. Other side. Low speed. Chamfer. Clean it up. Check it out. And just like that. Almost forgot. There's the new stud, all done. Next to the old stud. Should work perfect. You can see right there, a bit shorter. And of course, this should work for as large as your drill is. It's 3/8 or ½ inch, 3/8 or ½ inch studs. I've done up to 7/16 myself. All cleaned up in the ends. Now I just gotta wash them. Good to go. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps someone. Peace out. How to make a dumb video. Okay, this is how I make an idiot of myself. Just kidding. How to make studs.